Okay, so we are going to take a look at side one of a language-centered training card, or the top half of the card. Let's look at the features of this card. You will find the name of the activity at the top of the card. Right under the name of the activity, you will find a list of vocabulary words. The vocabulary words will correlate with the speech activity. The goal is for the children to learn the new vocabulary as they participate in various language activities. And each time you use a new activity, a child will get exposed to new words, so their vocabulary naturally expands. Now, underneath the list of vocabulary words, you will find a reference for basic disability guidance. If you look on the left-hand side of the card, you will see a list of different disabilities, and right across from each disability, there is a simple suggested sequence that you can follow when you are unsure of what kind of language skills you should be requiring of a child. You can go through the suggested sequence easily because they are numbered, step 1, step 2, step 3. And again, this guide is intended to be used as a very basic, quick reference for different disabilities. It can be helpful to a parent or a teacher who is not sure how to support a child's language needs. Always follow the guidance of a speech and language pathologist if one is available. However, if you do not have this privilege, then this basic guide may assist you. All right, let's take a closer look at how this guide works. Let's say you are working with a little girl who is very difficult to understand. She has not been evaluated by a speech-language pathologist yet, but you want to know how you can help her and what you can do. So you look on the left-hand side of the card and you find articulation, and then you look at the suggested sequence. Now you know exactly what to do. You will start with step 1 and make sure that the little girl can say the H sound. Then you will move to the M sound, and then you will work with her on all of the other sounds outlined in step 1. Next, you will move to step 2 and help her with the T, D, and N sounds. So as you can see, there is a lot you can do to help support this little girl. By using this simple guide, it can assist you in knowing where to start, what to do, and how to keep a child progressing. Now you know how to use side 1 of a language training card. It's basically a list of vocabulary, words to focus on, and basic disability guidance. Please join us in the next 2 videos as we explain how to use the language concept card and the weekly language training card. We have a lot of great information to share with you. So